Hello, my name is Brandon Mason. I'm the product manager at DEUTZ Corporation.
And my name is Loewen Payne. I'm the new business development manager.
And today we're going to talk to you about gasoline versus diesel wood chippers. And specifically, we're going to talk about between the 70-75 horsepower range or the 10 to 12 inch chipper range. But before I do that, I want to talk about two different types of gasoline engines in the industrial space. The first kind is your diesel engine that's been converted to a gasoline engine, which is what the G29 is. And the second is going to be your automotive engine, say an old GM or a Ford that's been industrialized. So the advantages of your diesel engine that's been converted to gasoline is that it's a truly industrial engine. It was designed for this application and it's very rugged and can handle it. The second thing is that it has industrial features like a PTO on it. It's got timing gears, not timing belts or chains. And overall, it's just ready for heavy duty industrial applications. The advantages of your automotive style engine that got industrialized is usually can be a little less expensive. And then you also have parts that can be up on the shelf at your nearest Napa. So why would you go to gasoline on your chipper? Again, we're talking about the 10 to 12 inch chippers. The first reason is your availability of fuel. If you don't have diesel right next to you and you have gasoline, that's a great reason to go gasoline. The next reason would be cold starting. If you're operating in more cold environments, your spark ignited gasoline engine is going to be a better option than diesel. The third reason would be cost. Usually your gasoline chipper is going to be a little less expensive than your diesel chipper. Next thing could be regulations. There's different regulations in California that make diesel engines a little more complicated. And then the last reason could be what truck are you pulling your chipper with? If you're pulling your chipper with a gasoline truck, it might make sense just to get a gasoline chipper behind it so you can go to one fuel pump and fill them both up. We touched base a lot about the 10 to 12 inch chipper range, 70-75 horsepower engine. What about larger chippers? What advantages does gasoline have in those applications? The first and most obvious one is DEF, right? You don't have to have DEF on your gasoline chipper if it's above 75 horsepower, whereas with diesel you do. Other considerations would be, again, cold starting, or even sometimes the cost will be lower.
So why diesel in a 70 horsepower chipper? If your fuel across your fleet is diesel, then you might want to choose a diesel chipper to streamline your fuel options. Diesel generally has better fuel consumption. It's got better low end torque, and the fuel is more stable in the winter. So you're not going to have bad diesel, whereas you could have bad gas. So next, I want to talk a little bit about the G29 versus competition. It's an industrial engine, so it's going to last longer than the competition. Next off is your resale value is going to be better on your chipper. It's got a gear case PTO, which means no pulleys, no belts. It's got a spark arrestor, and it's common to our TD 2.9.
It's a true industrial engine, right? It's got heavy duty block, heavy duty everything. I mean, it's made for this application, whereas, let's say you have a gasoline engine. It's made for a really cushy environment, whereas these can be solid mounted, they won't break.
We all know that the tree care industry, especially wood chippers in general, that's a very violent application,
Absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
So why would you want an on-highway engine in such a environment, an application that the industrialized would operate better?
Yeah, there's no question that this is a better option all around. Another big advantage of DEUTZ is that our name is known for quality. If you buy a chipper that has a DEUTZ engine in it, everyone in the industry knows that a DEUTZ engine is going to last longer than the competition. And now you're taking an old diesel engine and converting it to gas.
Best of both worlds.
That's the best of both worlds. Yep, exactly right. You say goodbye to the automotive engine.
That's right.
Hello to a true industrial diesel engine. But even compared to other diesel engines, I mean, DEUTZ is kind of the cream of the crop. I mean, that's just what we're known for.
I mean, we haven't been around for 162 years for nothing, right?
We know how to make engines.
We do know how to make engines. Our service network has over 800 partners, and it's growing every day. We're here to stay. So we want to thank you for your time today. We hope you learned something about our engines, and that next time you'll choose DEUTZ in your chipper, whether it be gas or diesel.